Hello, teacher. This is my pronunciation workshop. My name is Andrea Acevedo Bernal, English on Air. My daughter has the most beautiful eyes in the world. My dog has large legs and sharp claws. The dog house is made with stone materials. My uncle bought a new Jeep. Your house doesn't have a garage. The bridge is very narrow. Yesterday there were many accidents. There is a lot of tomato in the store. My car is faster than yours. The butcher lives very far. I have to fulfill a mission. My cousin is an athlete. In the zoo there are 10 zebras. Next Monday is my birthday. My house has a nice kitchen. Thank you very much, teacher.